Hi, my name's Chris Palmer. I'm from Tech Solutions. I'm the Managing Director. I thought it'd be good to explain a little bit about what we actually do as managed service providers. You might have seen, as a business owner, you might have seen online support, IT support, with the phrase MSP, and I hate acronyms, so let's keep it to plain English. So, managed service provider. You may well have someone that you call to look after your IT when something breaks. A managed service provider is very different to that, in that we essentially have tools that we use to proactively monitor your devices. And these can be your mobile phones, your Windows desktops, your Mac desktops, etc., etc. But we are monitoring your devices constantly for things like hard drive health, memory usage, CPU usage, all of these thresholds that help us build a picture of the health of your devices. Now, some of the tools we use have a degree of AI in them, so over a period of time, if we see that your device is particularly using an extra large amount of memory that it normally doesn't use, and it's for an elongated period of time, that will actually flag up to us that there's an anomaly with your particular machine. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean there's something wrong, but we would certainly be proactive and communicate with you that we've seen something that is a bit of an anomaly, and arrange with you to proactively look into that for you. So rather than waiting for you to have a machine that basically is out of order, out of action, thus causing you money in downtime, interruption, etc., etc., we try to be as proactive as possible and mitigate that downtime. So, as well as being part of our managed service provider solution, we also will provide you with insights into better ways of doing things. We'll also look at your security. There are various reports that we can provide to you, depending on the services that you do take out with us. One of them is our Microsoft 365 security platform. We can add various levels of security, from scanning in, scanning out, right through to encryption even. So we can give you services that allow you to send encrypted emails, password protected, PIN protected, but the base level of security is the incoming scanning of all of your mail. And again, we can provide you with reports periodically to show you what messages have been held, what messages have been scanned, what viruses, infections, malwares have been held and stopped getting into your mailbox. And these are reports that we will send to you either weekly or monthly, depending on your business needs. So really, an MSP is a completely different job function to an ad hoc IT support service. It's not possible for an ad hoc service to fully understand and appreciate the changes in your network as they are happening. And it's also extremely challenging for an ad hoc service to be able to react and deliver a first-time fix when they only see you now and then. Your system is continually changing, your devices are continually being updated with software and patches, and a month can go by where an ad hoc service doesn't get to see your computer. So it's almost unfair to expect that person or even organisation that only has visibility for your machines once in a while to be able to repair and fix your issue in a timely fashion. So it's a very difficult job being an ad hoc service repair person, as opposed to being part of a managed service provider. So hopefully that's given you a little bit of an idea as to the differences and what you're paying for per month, because with a managed service provider, other than the reports that we will send you each month to show you the things that we're seeing and the things that we're monitoring, as far as you're concerned, if everything's working, what are we doing for our money? So it's a bit of a rethinking process there, and also for you to take on board that you want to avoid the downtime as opposed to wait for the downtime to then try and force a fix that might even be temporary. You want a provider that's got your back, that's working with your business as a partner, and is also introducing you to new technologies that directly correlate to your business and how you work. And as I say, it's impossible to do that if you don't have that relationship in place. So if any of you are interested in having a conversation with me about how we can help your business and how we can start to protect your business on a proactive basis, then please follow the link just below here and reach out and let's start having a conversation. It'd be lovely to grab a coffee and have a chat.